This dictation material has been obtained from official para 26 and unseen from newspaper. I am directed to refer to the subject noted above and to say that a question has arisen as to the status of living full stop. It has been observed that in such cases the officers assumed entire description to determine the date of commence of leave full stop. Some civil servants take weeks or months from the date of sanction, and sometimes the leave is never availed full stop. This practice frustrates the whole process of making alternative arrangements full stop. During the sanctioned leave, the matter has been considered full stop. It may be emphasized that the option to determine the date of commencement of leave exercised by the applicant is subject to the approval of the leave sanctioning authority full stop. Sanctioning of leave therefore includes the sanctioned period of leave, including the date of its commencement and expiry full stop. According to Rule 21 of the revised leave rules 1981, leave commences from the date of availing on which a civil servant hands over the charge of this post and ends on the date proceeding on which he assumes duty full stop. These dates are therefore required to be mentioned in the leave sanctioning explicitly full stop. I am therefore to clarify that the above procedure may be followed carefully so that the dates of commencement and ending of the leave are in the knowledge of sanctioning authorities full stop. Unseen. The Prime Minister said the country's liberal open sky policy had been criticized, but the government believed in creating competition and giving passengers the freedom to choose full stop. Aviation is a challenging dynamic field full stop. It keeps changing rapidly, and if we do not change ourselves, we are going to be left behind full stop. He said the Pakistan International Airlines had not adapted to the needs of the market and fallen behind its competitors despite having been a leader in its class in the past full stop. With about 207 million people living in the country representing a huge market, the Pakistan International Airline had less than 50 registered aircraft. He regretted full stop. He said new development projects had the potential to catalyze economic growth and that the new airport was a result of former Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif's dedication to improve infrastructure of the country, leading to a stronger economy full stop. He said the new airport would open a world of new opportunities, create employment and boost the private sector full stop. The Prime Minister recounted the achievements of the Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz government full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamran, working as PA in Civil Secretariat Lahore, as well as Principal Ajmer Shorthand and Computer College Shadra.